It is no secret that society today is gravely disordered. Marriage and the family, honored for centuries as the basic unit of culture, are under attack. Traditional notions of justice and fairness are being turned upside down. Even what it means to be a man or a woman is being called into question. Sadly, this is no less true of the church. In an age when the church should be fearlessly proclaiming the truth, calling the culture to account, it is instead compromised by a foolish attempt to adopt the world's values. This has caused many who are simply trying to live out the true Catholic faith to be ridiculed, even canceled altogether. So what is the solution to all of this? While the problems we face are new, the solution to them is not. Whenever the people of God faced grave danger, whenever the dark clouds of disorder seemed to have the upper hand, the people of God gathered together to pray and do penance. This is why we are calling all concerned people to join us every Saturday evening for a public act of prayer and penance. Together, let us petition the Lord of Heaven to intervene in our culture before the forces of evil overtake us. And let us especially make reparation for the sins that plague our church, so that she might again proclaim the truth with boldness, calling sinners to the one who can save them and set them free.